riff number 3 from our one-string riff sheet. It's called Billie Jean, and we're going to be playing it on your open E string to begin with, your high E, followed by the 2nd fret on your E string, the 3rd fret, and then the 2nd fret. Link those notes together, and this is the sound that you're going to get. Now I'm playing short notes, we call that staccato. So what I want you to do, as soon as you play the string, I want you to stop it again with your right hand, make it nice and short for me. Let's do the riff again, playing short notes on your guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good stuff. Let's see if you can do that 4 times round with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. Excellent job, everybody. See you on the next riff.